Welcome to another episode. In this video, I will discuss how to make a link tree links by your multiple product. You see, slowly I add many product in my Linktree shop. You see, my Linktree shop name is my choice. I add 1, 2, 3, 4 product from directly from Amazon. If any customer coming in my this Linktree store, he is want to buy this product, he is directly going to Amazon dashboard. If he make a purchase this product from Amazon, I make a commission. So now you see I add 4 product, and now I show to you where I upload this product video in. You see slowly I upload these product video in uh, TikTok. If any customer want to buy this product, he is now coming in my uh, bi- uh, bio links. If he click this bio link, he is directly coming in my link tree shop. So these are the method you add multiple product links in this link tree shop. I hope आपको ये तरीका बहुत आसानी से समझ आ जाए. Thank you very much.